Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make summary notes. First, begin by actively reading or listening to your material, whether it's a textbook chapter, a lecture, or an article. As you go, identify the core concepts and supporting details that are essential to the topic. Your goal is to extract the most important information, leaving out any unnecessary examples or lengthy explanations. This initial step is crucial for effective summarization. One highly effective method is the Cornell note-taking system. This involves dividing your page into 3 distinct sections: a main note-taking area, a smaller cue column, and a summary section at the bottom. During your learning, capture primary information in the main section. Later, use the cue column for keywords or questions that prompt your memory. Finally, dedicate the bottom 5 to 7 lines to summarize the entire page in your own words, reinforcing your understanding. After creating your summary notes, the next vital step is active recall and consistent review. Don't just reread your notes, actively engage with them. Cover the main note-taking section and use the cues or questions you wrote to test your memory. Try to explain the concepts aloud or write them down from scratch. This process of retrieving information strengthens your understanding and helps transfer knowledge to long-term memory, making your study efforts much more productive. Finally, refine and organize your summary notes for maximum impact. If you have multiple sources, consolidate them into a single, comprehensive summary. Consider incorporating visual elements such as simple diagrams, mind maps, or flowcharts to represent complex relationships. Ensure your notes are logically structured with clear headings and bullet points, making them easy to navigate and understand at a glance. This final polish ensures your notes are a powerful study tool.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.